Hello, I'm Michelle, and today we're going to be discussing the methods that you can use to form your LLC in Illinois. We're going to be covering the steps involved in starting your LLC, the form that you're going to need, the naming requirements, and the 5 main steps needed to actually register your Illinois LLC. I'll also be explaining the importance of having a registered agent and a very key term known as piercing the corporate veil. These two are the points that you definitely don't want to miss. In Illinois, the LLC startup costs are much lesser than in other prominent states. There are incentives and business funding options by the government given to businesses such as any woman-owned business. These incentives help LLCs to cover annual costs and other costs to run a successful business. The export business is thriving very well in Illinois due to the state's favorable rules and regulations. That is why more companies have started entering in the field of exporting business. The state's primary export product is machinery, chemicals, and equipment used in transportation and agricultural processing. You can start your Illinois LLC by 3 methods. Number 1 is that you can do it yourself, in which case you can choose out to fill the forms online or you can send it off via mail. Number 2 is that you hire a professional service to do it for you, which is the most easy and secure method. We personally recommend Zen Business as one of the best and most affordable services for this purpose. Number 3 is you can go ahead and hire an attorney. Now coming to a very common question, what exactly is an LLC? An LLC is a hybrid business entity combining a corporation's characteristics with a partnership or sole proprietorship. It separates your personal assets from your business assets and gives you personal asset protection. So when you're starting your LLC in Illinois, you mainly have to file certificate of formation with the state and pay the filing fee of $150. With Zen Business, you get 3 plans: Starter Plan, Pro Plan, and the Premium Plan. It's perhaps the only formation service company that offers 3 important features in all of the plans. The Starter Plan has all the essential services required to form your LLC. It's a suitable plan for you if you want something budget-friendly as a formation plan. The Starter Plan is available at $0, although the mandatory state filing fees must be paid to the state. It is cost-effective and offers all the essential services like a registered agent and operating agreement draft. The Pro Plan offers some essential additional services along with the main services offered in the Starter Plan. But in the Pro Plan, it takes you lesser time to form your LLC. In this plan, you get an advertising consultant, annual compliance services, and expedited filing. The Premium Plan is the costliest plan offered by Zen Business. Premium Plan offers almost all the services related to the formation of an LLC, in addition to the services which are being mentioned in the first 2 plans, which was the Starter and the Pro Plan. It offers you a faster filing process, business website, domain, and your very own email address. In this video, we're going to discuss option number 1 and number 2. We're going to place emphasis on why exactly do you need a professional service to do it for you, because you have to make sure you're doing your LLC work correctly. This is one of those things where you can't afford missing key information or have any misunderstandings. Zen Business is a very competent professional service which you can get because forming your LLC is not just filing the certificate of formation. It's also deciding on a name, hiring a registered agent, creating an operating agreement, and obtaining an EIN. All of these can be done super easily with Zen Business. I'll be leaving the links in the description below. You can go and check them out. We're now going to discuss in detail the 5 important steps that you must cover when you're forming your LLC in Illinois. The first step to starting off your LLC is basically choosing your business name. Before you name your business, you must know that the name should be easy to remember, should be available in the state, and follows the LLC naming guidelines. You can find the naming guidelines at llcbuddy.com. The specific requirements you need to follow when you name your company is number 1, your business name should be available and no other existing business in the state can share that name. Each name is unique to the owner. Number 2 is that limited liability company should be there as a suffix in the company name. Number 3 is that you cannot use any name for your business that could be confusing or misleading. So terms like Treasury, State Department, FBI, CIA shouldn't be included. Number 4 is that terms like bank, attorney, university, they can be added, but only after the additional requirements by the Illinois state government are fulfilled. If you do not wish to file your LLC right now, but you want to hold on to the name you decided, then you can reserve your LLC name for 90 days. To keep the name, you have to file a name reservation application and pay $25 to reserve your name with the Illinois Secretary of State. The second and highly vital step to forming your LLC is to appoint a registered agent. A registered agent is an entity that's going to act or work on your behalf and will receive all the important paperwork and other official government correspondence in Illinois. This is why hiring a competent registered agent for your LLC is necessary. You need to make sure that your registered agent is a resident of Illinois or has a physical street address. Their business address is used as the LLC's principal address in Illinois. Most LLC formation companies also provide registered agent services. ZenBusiness provides you a registered agent service as an add-on to the formation package, but you can also get it separately. A key thing to note when you're getting a registered agent is the importance of having one, but having a legit one. Because in case of a lawsuit or if you get sued, the lawyer of the other party is going to do what is known as piercing the corporate will. Most people believe that they're setting up their LLCs for tax purposes, but the real reason for setting up an LLC is to limit your liability. Basically, what it does is that it creates a divide between your personal assets and your business assets. So if you're sued in your business, they can't go after your personal assets. When you're sued, the attorney who's the one suing you is going to start looking for little cracks in your LLC. This is where they pierce the corporate will. First thing they're going to check is, do you have a registered agent? Is the agent legit? And have they been filing the paperwork? The third and another important step in forming your LLC is to file your certificate of formation. The Illinois Articles of Organization is a legal document needed to officially register your business with the Secretary of State. It's going to cost you $150 to file your formation certificate in Illinois. The certificate of formation includes details like the name of your LLC, registered agent's name, address, employee details, and the structure of your company. Are you member managed or are you manager managed? So before hiring employees in Illinois, you should really know about the rules and regulations thoroughly so you can avoid any future issues. We suggest that you use Zen Business to file your certificate of formation because they provide you an easier way to fill out the forms without any confusion or have any misunderstanding or missing any step. If you get stuck anywhere, they have a great customer support service where you can go, ask your questions, and they will respond to you. Your fourth step is filing the operating agreement. An operating agreement is an internal document that legally outlines the proprietorship and the operating procedures of your LLC. This document is very vital as it ensures that all the business owners are on the same page regarding how they operate, their voting power, business dissolutions, and a lot more. This helps you reduce future conflicts. When it comes to filing your Illinois LLC operating agreement, the state doesn't really require you to have a very comprehensive operating agreement. But it is ideal to have one that contains the details of your business operation. It's recommended that it should be done by using a professional service like Zen Business, since they know exactly what you do and you won't have to worry about missing any detail. They provide the service as an add-on to your formation package for a very small fee. The EIN is also known as your employer identification number. It's a 9-digit number given by the IRS to make it easier to identify the type of businesses for tax purposes and taxes in general. The EIN is necessary for any active business or any form of businesses for that matter. An EIN is needed when your LLC starts hiring employees. To obtain EIN, one just has to fill up a form, which you can do online or you can do it by mail and just submit it to the IRS. You can also get an EIN through Zen Business, and they can even help you out with the whole process. I'm going to be leaving the links to all the resources in the description below. You can go there, check out which of the options fit your requirements. For now, I'm going to show you how you can file the forms using Zen Business. Now, this is the main page for Zen Business. You can type up your business name and you can have a search over there and you can start off your LLC. Now you can see right here that they have more of a chatbot system going on, not just plain filling out the forms. It's pretty interactive if you think about it. Pick out the state you want to start your business in. Now they're going to run a name check, see if it's available or not in the first place. Just enter your name here. They really just want to talk to you. That's why it's going to require your name over there. Do you have any prior business experience? Let them know if you're going to have any employees as well. Let them know if you want to have any physical location other than your home. So like if you're setting up a shop or you're going to be operating from home. Let them know what stage of business you're at. Let them know what your goals are. Is it a side business, primary income, or is it something new completely? Pick a category. Check if you want to save your progress or not. This one is going to take a bit of a time because they're just like calculating stuff, checking if their name is available or not, any prerequisites that they might require. Now, they're even recommending you get a registered agent, and I really recommend you do. Do you need an EIN and business documents? Like I said in the video, you really should go through that rather than going to the IRS website and possibly making any mistake that could cost you your filing entirely. This is where they're going to tell you all of their packages. They have the starter plan, the pro plan, and the premium plan. This is going to break it down for you. The pro plan is going to cost you $199 per year. It has its advantages. You can go through the full package detail as well. Zen Business Money Pro is an added feature which helps you manage your money and finances all in one place. Check if you want to get the expedited or rush filing. If you're in a hurry, you can go for it. If you're not and you can wait a couple of days, I recommend you do that. They also offer online tools like your custom website, domain name, privacy, email address. So if you're looking for that, you can add that on as well. Check if you want a customized operating agreement. Like I said earlier, it's better if you have one. Select if you want annual worry-free compliance. It's really up to you. It's basically them handling your annual taxes. Fill out your information here that they require, name and suffix, whatever they need, email and number. Review your order, see if you have anything you want to check or if you want to include anything or take away anything, and then you can just continue to payment, and that's all you need to set up your LLC with Zen Business. Now that you created your Illinois LLC, there's still a few things you're going to need. You need a company business bank account and a business credit card. You need to file the Illinois business permits and licenses, get general liability insurance and professional liability insurance, which covers your employees. You need to file the annual report in Illinois. I hope you enjoyed this detailed video on how to start off your LLC in Illinois, and I wish you the best of luck if you're starting off your business there. Please continue supporting our channel by liking the video, subscribing to our channel, and clicking the little notification button. Thank you for watching.